Hi guys, this was a question asked by one student. It's very easy question. The thing is like you have to understand the English in the question. Correct? It says the aircraft is on track 360. Aircraft is on track. That means 360 is nothing but north. Correct? 360 or 0 degrees or north is seen. The aircraft is maintained on this track. Now, the drift is 10 degrees by winds from east. That means the winds are coming from east direction. If this is north, this should be east, correct? This should be west and this should be south. So the winds are from east. Due to this, if you don't do anything, the drift is 10 degrees. That means if you don't do anything, the aircraft will drift off like this by 10 degrees. But this is not the case here. The aircraft is on track. That means in spite of winds, it is able to maintain the track. So the aircraft is doing something called as crabbing into the wind. So the aircraft is flying like this. Aircraft is flying like this. Now it is crabbing into the wind, so that if the winds are like this, the heading is 10 degrees. Correct, into the winds, but the aircraft is on this track of 360 degrees. That means, for example, I am flying, this is north towards the camera and this is east. The winds are coming from east, so I should drift off like this due to winds. What I am doing is I am putting my nose into the winds and flying like this. So the heading is not exactly the same as my track. The heading is 10 degrees because the drift is 10 degrees. I have to compensate by putting my nose into the winds by 10 degrees because the winds are coming from east and I am flying like this. So my heading is like this, but I am not moving like this. I am moving like this. Correct? So now I will draw any diagram. This is 360. The winds are coming from east and the drift is 10 degrees. So my aircraft is facing the winds by 10 degrees. Correct? So the heading of the aircraft is from north 10 degrees, it's still 10 degrees. Correct? So heading is equals to 10 degrees. Because the track is magnetic, heading is also magnetic. Next thing. What is the ADF bearing? The NDB is located abeam the track on the right side. See, abeam means 90 degrees. So here is the location of NDB. This is NDB, our non-directional beacon. Now he is asking ADF bearing. ADF bearing is nothing but relative bearing. What is relative bearing? Relative to my nose, where is the NDB? Correct? So my nose is like this. If I join aircraft and NDB, if total is 90 degrees, because this is going north and east is towards 90 degrees, total is 90 degrees and this is 10 degrees. So the relative bearing from my nose would be 80 degrees. So the answers heading and ADF bearings. Our heading is 10 degrees and ADF bearing or relative bearing is equals to 80 degrees.